Watch out, get so big. You're out! You're out! I think I just got David in the head. You're dead that time now. Let him out.
Dude, how am I not hitting you? Is that something out of damage or is that... That's cool.
David, I thought I hit you in the head twice.
Hey, David. Were you hit?
Whoa.
Get him? Did he get you?
No.
He's got you back. Give me that.
I'm too open as shit.
You guys are going to try to move up.
Where are you going?
Oh.
Where are you going?
Go for the center there.
Hold on, wait. We need to cover you if you're moving up. Tell us when. Don't move up. Don't move. I know.
Yeah, I thought you were supposed to be on automatic.
I'm back here. You're going to stop. What? I got him in the overlap. Ryan. Ready?
I thought you were moving up, Keegan.
Keegan, tell us
Watch
when you
out.
want to move up. Hey.
Oh, he got hit. He's hit.
Keep holding it up.
He's on the left side of your face. There's your left. Going to the left. Yeah, he's going to the left.
There's two left.
Oh, no, Connor's left you.
Oh,
Oh,
damn.
whoa. Oh, whoa. Dude, he's on fire on me. Dude, he's to the right by the laying down barrel. Right here is the fire. Hey, can I use this really quick? Yeah. I just want to go in here.
What are you guys doing?
Switching guns.
Hey, Paul, in 5 minutes, just call a match so they can get back in.
Oh, shoot. Where's Connor? No.
3 more minutes.
These are looking right by my face.
Where's Connor? Do you know where he is? Oh! Save this from game, like, right now. Save it. Use that. We're working on that one, Keegan. Move that. Then you go to the barrel. I'll move up. Here, I'll have to give you I'll have to give you Jesse there.
Dude, you two would stop talking and do something.
Here, no more corner. On the double barrel gate, and then, no. Come on, right side. Can you cover me while I go to the double barrel? Yeah, go, go. Shoot, shoot.
Yeah, I saw you go, Dodo.
Tell me if, Ryan, tell me if David's moving in on me.
Where's David?
Oh, shoot.
Who else is behind the Coke thing now?
He's behind the coat. I'm behind the double barrel case.
David's behind the double barrel. David's by the barrel.
Where's Connor?
Right there.
30 seconds to max.
Connor, throw me that gun. Come on, help me.
1 each.
Go, go, go. Good shot. Good shot. David, how did I not hit you?
That's it.
Oh, David's dead.
Oh, God, man, I shot you like 30 times.
Hey, go hit the stop button.
Oh, that was fun.
That was good.
Dude, I was just like nailing him with that speed.
Nice.
Running.